How to add captions in Microsoft Clipchamp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So Microsoft Clipchamp has a new feature that will transcribe your media and then put in auto-generated captions. So I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Clipchamp and then you will see CC option in the top right. Just tap on it and then tap on try now. So confirm the settings, choose the language of your choice, and then you can see that the captions has already appeared. You can see the transcript as well. Uh, you can see that there is subtitles in your video. If you don't want it in your video, then you can just tap on hide captions in video and you can just download the transcript. But if you want the subtitles in your video itself, then there you go, you can just toggle it off and there is captions in your video, and it's really simple to understand. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.